Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are well. And today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, which is what will be happen if you compare yourself to other English learners. That will demotivate sometimes. So don't be compare yourself with other people whose English language is very well, whose English language is definitely better than yours. So don't never ever do that. Never do that, because you have to compare yourself to yourself. When you first started learning English language, at that time, what was your English level? What was your English fluency? What was your English proficiency as well? How you could use your grammars, your vocabularies, and all that. And what about now? If you compare yourself to yourselves, if you compare your previous month to your present month, probably you may able to see lots of a big enhancement of yourself. So these things will help you to keep motivated of yourselves. So if you made a big enhancement within 1 month, so how will happen if you practice your English language 3 to 4 months or 6 months or even more than that? You will get more fluency. You will get a natural fluency, like a native. You will be able to speak English language like a native English speakers. So you have to try to speak and practice each and every day. So never ever compare yourself to other people whose English is definitely better than yours. So those peoples haven't become that much fluency overnight, just in 1 day. They also had practiced a lot. They become fluent in English language step by step, day by day, over time. After practicing, after making big effort. So you can do it too, like others. You can make your English language so fluent. You can make your English language so easy and so fast, so speed, like a native English speakers as well. But before that, you must have to practice English language a lot. Before that, you must have to immerse yourself with English language. You have to practice. Without practice, there is nothing. The more you practice, the more English will be natural to you. The more you practice, the more you will see your enhancement. So all of these things only depend upon practice, and all of those things only depend upon how you make yourself, how you make your environment in English language. So all of those things will depend upon your strategies, how you learning your English language in your daily life. But on the other hand, I have to say your fluency and your English proficiency will come. That not will depend upon of your time. That will depend upon your practice. How many hours do you practice each day, and what kind of strategies are you following in your practicing time? So if you go through the complicated ways which is not effective, you might not understand any of those things, but you listens, and that is not going to help you a lot. But you have to go through simple, easy, and convenient ways that you can understand and that you can use easily in your daily conversations. So those things will help you to get English language quickly, easily, and so fast. So my highly recommendation would be learn English language each and every day. Never ever complain, and never ever compare yourself with other people whose English language is very well than you. That will demotivate yourself. That will demotivate you. That will discourage you to learn English language. So compare yourself to yourselves. Try to set a goal and work for it. Set aside each day for practicing your English language. And what about mine? When I first started learning English language, at that time I couldn't speak at all. I didn't even able to making a communications with other peoples. I didn't even able to making a one sentences for expressing my thought, for expressing my feelings, what I am thinking. core of my heart, So the changes is happen over time. The changes is happen after practicing over time. Still, I am learning English language. I make mistakes. I don't care about it. You know, I make mistakes. Mistakes is a part of learning. So you have to accept the truth. You have to accept that truth and work for it and see the enhancement. So my suggestion, all that, and I will make English videos each and every day in order to encouraging yourself, guys. So get in touch with my Facebook page and with my YouTube channel as well. So thank you very much.